Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is Paper Pumpkin Week, and this is the July 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Sweeter Than You. And I do have the Circle of Season dies that coordinate. Let's see what's in the kit. So we take out our tissue paper and we've got our full color instructions. We're going to make 8 different cards, or 8 cards, for 2 each of 4 different designs. So again, we've got our full color instructions, and this coordinates with Daffodil Delight, Garden Green, Granny Apple Green, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, Strawberry Slush, and Timid Tiger. So we have our stamp set. And Hello Friend, our little flower, our strawberry leaves, our strawberry, another flower. Thank you. Life is sweeter with you. You're the best. And love you lots. And I like these ones because you can crop out different words if you want to and change up the greetings a little bit. We have got a Garden Green Stampin' spot. We've got some dimensionals, tear and tape, some adhesive dots. Oh, look at the envelopes with the scalloped edge. Aha, lovely. Okay, so we've got our envelopes. Look at this card base. How amazing is that? You know that that's going to become like 4 different cards. And then we've got some vellum. This is a scalloped piece and a straight edged piece. There we go. I'm just gonna grab a stick so that I can pick this up. There we go. And then our next card base. So we've got, this is a gorgeous, look at that gorgeous card base. And then we've got some more die cuts, little baskets, a greeting die cut. Oh, this is just so much fun. And then we've got this strawberry slush polka dot piece with, again, more die cut pieces for it. Okay, and then we've got a garden green card base. Oh, look at this. Look at all of this. Okay, what have we got? We've got strawberries. Look at all those mini flowers. Look at the big vine of strawberries. That is just amazing. This kit is going to be so much fun. I can't wait to make the alternatives. I have also pulled out of the archives, I have pulled out my Sweet Strawberry stamp set and punch. So that will be making an appearance. We're definitely doing a Throwback Thursday this week. So thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to get through those projects and those alternate videos with you.